Previously on The Replacement.
How'd it go with your mum?
She wasn't there.
Have we met
She's
before?
dead.
Oh my god.
I don't know. I have nowhere else to go.
Well, I've got one spare seat.
Are you sure?
I'd like to report a fugitive.
Hey, I'm just going to go into town. I need to grab a phone, some food. Are you going to be right?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay. Hey, Will. I am sorry about your mum.
When is she getting back? Do you hear that? Sounds like thunder. Hope it doesn't rain. A little water never hurt anybody. Come on. Do you hear that? I don't want to talk about the weather. No. Sirens. I hear sirens. How the hell do they know where we are? I don't know. We need to leave now. We need to hide. No. Hide from what? How do they know where we are? We're leaving. Where are we going? We're going to the water. Are you crazy? If we go in that water, we're pretty much dead. Yeah, well, if the cops come, we're going to jail. Well, I didn't do anything, okay? Doesn't matter, they don't know that. We're going in the water. No! We're leaving! Okay. Fuck. Oh.
wake up. Get up. I think you've got hypothermia. We need to take you to the hospital.
No hospital.
Why?
They'll arrest me.
Oh my God. You're the guy from the radio, aren't you? Give me one good reason why I shouldn't hand you in now.
Because I didn't do it.
There had to be someone else there.
We need to leave now. Who are you? We need to leave. You did it! You killed her! I did it for us. What do you mean? She was trying to help. She was trying to separate us. The pills were helping. She was trying to kill me, Will. Maybe she should have. What are you gonna do about it? I'm gonna hand us in. You're bluffing. You want it. I would. Stay away from me. I'm dangerous.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I killed that lady.
No, you didn't. That thing did.
I have to do this. I have to hand myself in.
You don't deserve this.
Yes, I do. Where's your phone?
We'll find a way.
Where's your phone?
It's in the car.
You didn't think you could get rid of me that easy, did you?
Will, are you okay?
After all I've done for us, I helped you unlock your memories. I led you to Mum. I protected us. And this is how you repay us? You're a murderer! So are you, Will. That's completely different. I was protecting my mom. And that justifies it? How is that any different to what I did? I don't know. Let's just talk about this, Will. No, I have to hand us in. You're gonna make me do it, aren't you? Do what? Why am I back here? Why did you bring me back here?
I'm doing what I should have done from the beginning, Will.
What are you talking about?
You might not want a life, Will, but I do.
Of course I want a life. You're just too dangerous to be free.
We'll see about that.
No way, you can't just leave me here.
Well, I'm not just leaving you here, Will. I'm replacing you.